So now first take a breadboard. So then after taking the breadboard, you can search the IC 7404 and place it here. And then IC 7408, you place it here. And then IC 7486, it's circuit IC, I place it here. So then the voltage supply. So this is normally the power supply used to run this digital circuit. So connect them using the wires, the positive and negative terminals, with the power supply with a voltage value of 5. So we can keep them with any colors as our wish. So this is the positive terminal. It should be connected here. And then make them into red. And then here that has been connected with the green wire, which is black. So cathode and anode, the positive and negative terminals are connected. Then take the DAP switch. This is a ST switch. It contains 4 switches. So on and off. So now keep that 1A, 2A, that and the 1B. It's 2B. So now search the LED to display the output. So here we are taking 2 LEDs because here are the 2 outputs, difference and borrow. So we are taking this with the IC 7404, then 08, then connecting the LED, the cathode. This one connected, and then take the resistor. So LED can't able to withstand with a high voltage. So to protect the LED, resistor has been used. So the cathode wire has been connected, and then with the switch, so we are taking that first input that has been connected. So totally there are 14 pins in that IC. So 1 and 2 there are inputs, and from the 3 they are displaying the output. So that 7th pin that is grounded, and the 14th pin that we giving for the power supply. Similarly for the same IC 7408 also. So the 7th pin we applying for the ground, and 14th for the power supply. And here for that IC 7486 also we are doing the same. Here then connecting these lines, and then from the point 2 it has been directly connected with the second IC also. So that the 3rd pin is the output. So that has been connected with the first this resistor. So for make difference in the output, the color we have taken in different one. So and then again from that switch we connecting with this IC 7486, the pin number 1. From the pin number 2 also we are connecting, and we call it as that input B normally. Then the output has been connected with the resistor. So one is for displaying the difference, and another one is for borrow. So now we are going to see that simulation. So we have to start the simulation. So we have taken the resistor value as 510 ohms. So we are also replace the same with the 510 ohms. So now we have to start the simulation. So for the input, so for the subtractor, so 0 0, the both outputs are 0 0. For 0 1, it is the difference and borrow both are 1. and for 1 0 the difference is